YouTube, Reseller Mom here. Welcome to today's video. Today I wanted to go through and kind of do a recap on some apps that I have that just provide a little extra that kind of go hand in hand with retail arbitrage and selling online and e-commerce, and they're just complementary. They bring in a little extra money, and this is how I do mine. Every year we use points and rewards and whatever, and kind of close to Christmas time, it's October 10th today, I will go ahead and start going through all of these programs and cashing them in, and then we use those reward items to help with our Christmas budget. And that's just how we set it up. Of course, you can do whatever you want. There's lots of different things and ways you can incorporate these to either help out your family or help out yourself, or whatever you want to do with them. So these are the current ones I have, and I have them in a folder called Receipt Scan. I don't have any creative names here. I have 4 programs here, and I'll go over briefly of what they are, and then I'm going to dive into 2 of them. So Swag Bucks, I don't really use. A friend of mine brought it to my attention, and there's different things you can do inside Swag Bucks, such as like surveys and stuff, and I haven't really dove into that one yet. Box tops, all of my box tops receipt scans go to my local elementary school that I was on the PTA for many years, and honestly, the box tops, you don't earn very much. I think I've earned my school like 50 cents this year from my own personal grocery, but it's there. I'm already scanning receipts. I may as well add it in and try to get the school some money, right? So the 2 that I want to go over today are Receipt Pal and Fetch Rewards, and this is kind of just showing you what I've earned with them. And if you follow my haul videos and my life, you kind of know a gist of what I'm doing in things. So with that being said, I'm going to pause the video and then go into each one. Let's see. Because it's Saturday morning, I'm currently at my daughter's ice skating practice and just sitting in the bleachers. It's cold in here. So I've got my mask on and a giant coat here. But this is Fetch Rewards, and this is the one that I get the best value out of, I guess. So it's really simple. You press the little camera, you take pictures of your receipts, you submit them. There are quite a few, like they have to be within an age limit. You can only submit so much per week. You can see here kind of by retailer. Winco is where we get our food every weekend. Target is a lot of retail arbitrage, some personal stuff. Safeway, same thing. Walmart and other. So I'll be honest with you right now, I am not as good with scanning receipts as I'd like to be. I would say I capture maybe 50 to 80% of my receipts, but a lot of times I forget to scan in my Burlington, Ross, Marshalls, Kohl's, those ones, and I need to be better at that. So my 2020 receipts here, I scanned in 331. I usually do it in the morning when I have coffee. My husband will leave receipts on the counter, and I'll just go ahead and quickly snap them and put them into here. But I wanted to give you an overall view of what 331 receipts for this year is at $24,000. And I can't remember when I started. Oh, this will give me an idea. It looks like I started in February, but maybe towards the end of February, and then I really started in March. So I've been using this for just over 6 months, and in 6 months I've calculated out 24,000. But let's get to the part that we all want to see. What does it mean for me? 29,000 points. What do we get for that? So we're going to click on the rewards, and if I scroll over and over, it looks like the button I want to pick is up to 25,000, and this is what the rewards can be. Looks like about $25 worth. So not very lucrative. I can get a $25 gift card to Amazon, and that is for online only purchases, obviously. The movie theaters, you probably have some food things, and I know a lot of people are wanting to get gift cards to help the economy and everything. And I agree with that. However, some of these shops I can already tell you that I probably wouldn't get because I think they might be going bankrupt or on the way out. So I don't want to get any company that may not be around by the time I use it or I give it as a gift. But, you know, $25 is not very much, but I got it for basically just photographing receipts into this app. You know, we're only on C right here. I'm kind of scrolling through, and I pretty much will probably use the Amazon because I do most of my purchasing there, and I know I will use it. But there's lots of other stores here. The other thing that we've done with these types of gift cards is if we have administrative admins or somebody work related that we want to give a gift card to, we have used these types of rewards for that, which is nice. A lot of times, sometimes, let's see if we can get down to Starbucks, because Starbucks sometimes allows you to get like little $5 cards, and those are amazing, especially when you're out shopping. Let's see here. Keep going. Keep going here. Those are really great if you have retailers that you frequent and you want to just give them a little bit extra. There you go, Starbucks card. Looks like I can get $5 cards for 5,000 points, and I could get about 5 of those. There's been some great recommendations that if you are doing big orders for pickup in your car, you could get those Starbucks cards and give them as little tips and just spread some good cheer during the holidays. All right, so that is basically Fetch Rewards. It was a program that I started this year. We'll just go over there so you don't see a spinning thing. Apologies. You could see some of the stores that I've recently put in. Safeway, La Fuente is a Mexican restaurant near me. Fred Meyer's, our local grocery. Safeway, the ice rink. That was my daughter's lessons and a bag we just got her. We got Bartell's, Winco. So this one was really big. That was like a huge grocery order for kind of an extended week that we did for $315. And we got 2,000 points off of that. So, you know, if 5,000 points get you $5 in gift cards, that was like a $2 receipt right there. So I do have to keep in mind that I got to scan in those big ones, especially big food purchases seem to be the best for Fetch Rewards. All right, well, that's the overview of that one. Let's go to the next one. Receipt Pal is another one. It's a little bit easier to scan in. It loads a little bit faster and all of that, but you don't really get as much. I feel like it's not as great as Fetch Rewards. Now, I did start this one a little bit later than Fetch Rewards, so I've only been doing this for a little bit, and you can earn more. Ooh, I forgot to say that. In Fetch Rewards, I linked my email, and that links to my online Target shopping. So that's why I have so much at Target, because it links to my email, and then I don't have to upload that receipt. So I believe my Amazon accounts and my Target accounts are automatically linked in with these, and that just, you know, I don't have to then enter in those receipts for online purchases. So this one, you have to snap a receipt, and once you fill up a card, you get 100 points. So it's a little bit different. This might be good for, you know, smaller purchases. And let's go to rewards. So I have 4,650 points. What can I get for that? Sweepstakes, which I don't ever do. And it looks like I can get about $10 in Amazon cards. So $10 here, 25 with the Fetch Rewards. I've earned 35 whole dollars in gift cards. Not that great, but I can definitely level this up. I feel like next year I could double this for sure and have, you know, much more rewards to play with next year. Like I said, it's a complimentary service to already what I'm doing. So if you're already doing retail arbitrage, you already have the receipts, you may as well earn a little bit extra on top of them. So I hope this provided a little bit of information to you guys. I do a lot of different things with my business to save a little bit of money and make money wherever I can. And these little receipt reward programs help out a little bit. The other thing I try to do is purchase gift cards for the stores that I frequent at a discount. So if you've never heard of raise.com or gift card Granny, those are other apps as well that you can go ahead and purchase discounted gift cards on and then save for your business. So when I go to Kohl's, usually I'll get gift card for there and I'll save 3 to 6%, and it's just another way to save money. All these little things do add up, and at the end of the year, you know, you can cash them in for whatever you want. We like to use them for Christmas shopping. The other one that I will cash in is my bank rewards. I get reward points on my bank, one of my bank accounts that we use for personal stuff, and I will cash in those, again, for gift cards, whatever we want. We've done them for airline miles before, probably not this year because not anybody's traveling much, but Amazon, Starbucks, restaurants, you name it, whatever you're looking for. All right, guys, take care and have an amazing day.